Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the rec file came from and what device created it, because that determines the codec. Once you know the source, connect the storage, insert the card, plug the USB, or mount the network share. Then install a compatible codec or lightweight player. This avoids playback errors later. Make sure to run the installer as administrator if required, and restart the player after installation so the system registers the new codec before you attempt to open the file. Now attempt playback with a versatile player like VLC or MPCHC. These often handle obscure rec codecs. If the file stutters or shows a black screen, convert it using FFmpeg or Handbrake, because conversion rewraps streams into standard containers. When converting, choose an output container like MP4 or MKV and match the original codec settings to preserve quality. Once conversion finishes, test the new file. If audio is out of sync, adjust audio delay or re-encode with explicit frame rate and sample rate parameters. Finish by organizing the playable file into your media library and verify metadata so players show titles and timestamps correctly. Embedding basic tags helps. Back up the original rec and the converted file, generate a checksum to ensure integrity. If the file still fails, install or run the original device vendor's software, because many rec formats are proprietary and their tools decode metadata properly. One key troubleshooting tip: if playback errors persist, try opening the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.